Right. So I would like to explain the concept first. So there are three concepts: sequence, selection, and repetition. In sequence, you write instruction one after another. So that is what we are going to discuss today. Without any decision, we just want to write instructions one after another. And so my program for this is I'm going to create. I'll take a new one. File new. You can also take the online coding environment, this one. Right. What I'm going to do is, so this cat, I'm going to ask this cat to solve small question. I'm asking this cat to solve small question. That is basically, I want it to get 3 marks, ask 3 marks, and then right, then I want to put that 3 marks and get the average and total. Right. So I want to put that 3 marks and get the average and total. Okay, the first thing is I'm asking the cat, okay, so since I'm going to store some marks, I need something called variables. Variables means storage locations. So in order to store 3 marks and find the total and average, how many variables you need to get 3 marks and find total and average?
4.
How many storage locations you need?
5 variables.
5. Why you need 5? Because you need one to keep the, let's say subject 1. Subject 1 marks, you need 1 variable. Subject 2 marks, to keep that you need another variable. And subject 3, you need another variable to keep that. So I'm going to create an object. I'll click on the make variable here, variables, make variable. Then total, I need another variable. And average, I need another variable. Okay, these are the 5 variables that I need. Then I need to input these 3. So I'm going to go to the events. You can follow me, do the same. I'm going to go to the events. When flag is clicked, from the sounds, I'm going to ask, from the sensing, I'm going to tell, enter, ask, let's say enter marks for subject 1. Enter marks for subject 1 and wait. Enter marks for subject 1 and wait. Right, then if I click the flag, then this cat is asking enter mark for subject 1. I'm filling 45. But this 45 should be stored. To do that, I'm going to the variables and I'm going to set subject 1 to, from the sensing, I'm going to put the answer. So please concern on the colors, right? If it is a orange color one, I have taken from the, so yellow color one, I have taken from events. Yellow color එකක් නා හොයලා ඉන්න එපා කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ කියලා තියෙන්නේ මෙතන events වල. ඊළඟට blue color one නම් sensing. Orange color one, this one, orange color one is variables. Again, blue color one, it's in sensing. So that is how easy to find this. Then I'll repeat for the subject 2 and subject 3, right? Subject 2 and also for subject 3, I'm telling enter marks for subject 2. Enter marks for subject 3. And subject 2 marks, I'm going to save it to set subject 2, set subject 3. So please do this, set subject 2 and set subject 3. And the answers given by the question. So this answer and this answer. Then I need the total. Then I can say set total to what? Then I need the average. Set average to what? Then I want to show looks, show the total and show the average. This is my program. Okay, how to get the total? How to get the total? So if you have marks of 3 subjects, how to get the total?
Add those subjects.
Adding
Add those 3 subjects. Then you can go to the operations and there's addition here. You can add 3 subjects. This is 2, no? Dekak madine. So 2 is not enough. I'm putting another one. Now I have 1, 2, 3. Then I'll go to the subjects and tell add the subject 1, 2, subject 2, 2, subject 3. And that is the total, right? Or you can calculate this here also, right? You can calculate here and then say total here. Total for 5 seconds. Average, how to find? If you have total, you can divide it by, guess what? You can divide the total by number of subjects, that is 3. And you will get the average. That average you can display. And this is called a sequence. You can see everything is in order. When I click the flag, it's asking subject 1, then asking subject 2, enter, then asking subject 3, I'm entering marks, and it's telling me the total and the average. Here it's displayed here also, total and the average displayed here also. Shall we do that quickly?
doing it, sir.
Okay.
Sir, how to get 3 plus
You can-
operators?
Yeah, drag this twice. Drag this one time and again drag this and put it over there. Then you'll get 3. Okay. And I'm adding additional codes. I'll explain this. No need to add this green color code. This is additional code. Just for those people who know, you can add this. Others no need. There are some people who knows because some are coming for the programming class. Some are in programming class. They know better than me even. So therefore they will feel bored. That's why I'm adding these additional codes, right? This green color things are additional code. It's no need to add them. But if you have done, if you have finished, you can add the green color coordinates too. Then it will do something like this.
Total is 9. Average is :3.
Okay, you can just talk. So these again, I can add the green color codes to here also. Only if you need. Now let's see. You have to first tell this way.
So you made a little mistake.
Sorry.
You made little mistakes in that speak one, the last one, you should have subject 3. But
Subject.
you have,
Ah,
but you have put
yeah. That's true. I saw that. This one, no? Right, let's run this.
Enter marks for subject 1.
Then it's telling me. So now it's more interactive.
Enter marks for subject 2. Enter marks for subject 3. Total is 199. Average is colon 66.333333333333333.
Okay, say more trees. Lot of trees in the average, right? Okay, let's run it again.
Enter marks for subject 1. Enter marks for subject 2. Enter marks for subject 3. Total is 223. Average is 74.333333333333333.
Okay, how to add the voice?
How to take that say thought for 5 seconds?
Sorry. Say.
The one after speak join total is dot.
This say. Purple color. It's in
Yes.
looks. It's in looks. It's in looks. Here, say hello. Take say hello and change it. Say hello and change it. Instead of hello, you put total. Instead of say hello, you put average. If anyone need help, I can help. Right? What are you the?
So where is that? So where is text to speak?
Text to speech. That is the last one. Yeah.
I don't have one like that.
Yeah, you have. You don't have. The reason is you have to go to the extensions. Here, can you see the blue one? Please go to the extensions, and there you have text to speech. This one. Just click it, and it will be added to your one. That is text to speech. Okay, if anyone need help, still I can help, right? I don't know. No one is asking help. Maybe you know this very well. It seems.
Sir, when I'm adding subject to the rest of the blocks also say subject to.
Here.
No, sir.
Then can you show it? Okay, you can share the screen. This one you can change today. This one you can here. This click can change this. You can click on top of that and change it. Now, okay,
Sir,
no?
my one can't now.
Do you have variables like this? 5
Yes, sir.
variables? Please share it, then I'll instruct how to do. Please share it.
So I
Quickly.
can't share. I need to sign in for Zoom.
You have not signed in. Then there's a problem. So next up.
Sir, my one is also not working.
Can you share the screen? If so, I can help. Otherwise, like, so how can I see yours without seeing how your screen?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So please share it, because without seeing that, I cannot help. So next day, please sign in, right? That's the code. Okay. So what's going on? Right, when you click the flag, okay, click the flag. Not working.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so this is click flag. So is it working before that text to speech one?
Yes, sir.
After adding text to speech, it is not working. Is that so?
I think.
So better remove that, right? Because some machines may not support that. That's the thing. Then see. Then click the flag and try to start. Oh, yes, the problem is problem is with that. Okay, others also, if you have any issue, please let me know. Basically, you can change it. Change 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 you can click that and change it. So next day, please sign into the Zoom, right? Next day, please sign into the Zoom. Otherwise, I can't see your screen. So next day, we'll do like without doing the workbook. Let's do more in this programming part. Okay, anyway, I'll send you the version. I'll download this. I have saved to my computer and I'm sending this to you, right? I'll send this to your group. Wait.